Okay, I hope maybe this video will show you how to get to your assignments. If everything's working okay on your end, as far as your web browser using Chrome, you don't have your firewalls blocking you. This is how it should look. And it seems to be working okay on this end because I have several sections and everybody's been able to get there. So I'm hoping we can figure out what your problem is, and hopefully it's not too deep of a tech issue that this will help. Thank you for hanging in there. I know you had a rough start here with getting all of this to work, so I appreciate your patience. So on the screen, you should see the home page of our Canvas course. I also want to mention that, going in through ACES and going to Canvas that way, if by chance you're working with the app, sometimes that renders differently, and I've seen students have trouble with the app. So I just went through my courses in Canvas, chose your section, and went here. I'm also in the student view, so it should look the same on your end. So don't worry about anything else when you land here except going to modules. So the modules link over here takes you into where I put everything for the week. So I organize your PowerPoints, any videos you need to watch, any assignments, all in the week's module. So of course we've completed the Getting Started module and the week 1 module. And this past week, we were in week 2. So I always put a video where I explain what we're doing for the week. You have your narrated PowerPoint. I did a micro lecture on structuralism and functionalism to help you. And then you can see anything here with due dates and points are assignments. So these are supplemental to help you. And then of course you have yours. So the assignment we're talking about, the written assignment, is this one right here. These are in Connect, and I believe now you're getting access to them. So if I click on the writing assignment, you can see the assignment itself, all of the directions in the assignment, the grading rubric for the assignment. But if you go right here and say Start Assignment and click on that, it will take you into where you need to do your assignment. And so just kind of scroll down here, and it's always best to do those assignments in a Word document or some type of word processing document, and then upload the file here and then hit submit. So I hope this helps. While I have this video going though, I'm going to go back to our module, and yes, sorry, it's thinking that I want to edit even though I am in student view. And just, stay right here in the module. Don't try to access any of your assignments for the week anywhere else. So I just wanted to show you, if I click on the structuralism and functionalism, it's giving an error. Let me actually leave student view because there's not a student connected in the student view. But you'll get this right here where it says launch. And when you click launch, it'll take you into the assignment. It'll look like this for you. I'm in my view since I have a Connect account here. You complete the assignment, you hit submit, and then you click this little yellow over here, and it takes you back to jump back into the module. So it'll take you back into Canvas. You go back down, and you can keep working that way. So that will always keep you on track. Everything you need to do is right here. Try not to, get to those assignments directly from the Connect account over here. Do it through the modules. I hope this helps. Please let me know. Have a good day.